I have a love-hate relationship with most dry shampoos, but I found one I really love. I'm Alicia with WTI, and this non-aerosol dry shampoo from MAREE can really save the day. If you're someone who doesn't want to be washing your hair every single day, you need to try this dry shampoo. I've been using it especially after workouts, and it has been such a game changer. It instantly absorbs all that sweat and oil, so my hair actually looks clean again instead of flat and greasy. But my favorite part is the volume. This bottle gives you a pro tip to apply it with your hair upside down, and wow, it gives my roots so much lift, making my fine and prone to oily hair look fresh and bouncy instead of weighed down. I also love that it doesn't leave that heavy powdery feeling or a white cast. You can see how finely it sprays that mist of powder instead of huge amounts. My hair feels soft, it's easy to brush through, and smells really fresh. Whether you're trying to extend your style for another day, freshen up after the gym, or need a little quick pick-me-up before going out, this stuff works so well. And that's my point of view.